Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your LinkedIn industry on your PC using the latest update. Whether you're looking to reflect a career change, update your profile for recruiters, or simply keep things accurate, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once you're on your LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture with the word Me next to it. Click on Me to open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to your account's main settings page, where you can manage everything from privacy to notifications. Next, in the left-hand sidebar, find and click on Account Preferences. Under this section, you'll see several options related to your personal details. Look for the one labeled Name, Location, and Industry. Click on it to proceed. Now, you'll see your current industry listed along with your name and location. To update your industry, simply click on the field next to Industry. A drop-down menu will appear, showing a wide range of industries to choose from. Scroll through the list and select the industry that best matches your current role or the field you want to be associated with. After you've made your selection, don't forget to click Save at the bottom of the page. This will ensure your changes are updated and visible on your profile. And that's it. You've successfully changed your LinkedIn industry using the new update on your PC. Keeping your profile up to date is a great way to make sure you're getting noticed by the right people and opportunities. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of LinkedIn and other social platforms. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.